Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimula and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial Photoshop, I will tell you how to use the color replacement tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this image I have taken it. Now I have told you about the brush tool, pencil tool. Now color replacement tool. From here select any kind of color in foreground. Let me first tell you before it was now I have reset the color sample. Now I'll change the color, different color. I'll select it, either the blue or light blue, and now I'll paint. It gives me that color which I have selected foreground. It basically replace the color. Press Ctrl Z. Now I'll select from here hue. Then I'll select from here little bit of dark. Now it gave me the hue color. It replaces the color to hue because I have selected from here hue color in mode. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer.